Color is one of the most powerful tools in visual communication. It's the visual perception created when light reflects off objects and reaches our eyes. In design, color communicates mood, emotion, and meaning more effectively than words alone. Today, we'll master color theory and apply it practically in CorelDRAW. Let's start with primary colors, the foundation of all color theory. Traditional art uses red, yellow, blue, while digital design uses red, green, blue. Secondary colors form when we mix two primaries. Red plus yellow equals orange. Tertiary colors blend primaries with secondaries, creating yellow, orange, and blue-green. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow convey energy and excitement. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple suggest calm and trust. Monochromatic schemes use one color in different shades, perfect for professional designs. Complementary colors sit opposite on the wheel, creating striking, eye-catching contrasts. Now let's explore CorelDRAW's color tools. The color palette appears on the right by default. Press F11 for the fill tool, offering solid colors, gradients, and pattern fills. The eyedropper tool lets you sample colors from any object in your design. Press Ctrl plus F6 for the color docker, your advanced color selection headquarters. Let's create a color wheel. Press F7 for the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and drag for a perfect circle. Duplicate with Ctrl plus D, resize smaller and center it using C and E keys for alignment. Use the two-point line tool to draw from center to edge, then duplicate and rotate evenly. Select all lines in the circle, then use the trim tool to cut perfect pie slices. Now fill each slice with colors from the palette, creating your complete color wheel. Use the blend tool shortcut W to create smooth color transitions between objects. Remember, RGB for digital screens, CMYK for print. Choose your color mode wisely. Master color psychology. Red for passion, blue for trust, green for growth. You now have the foundation to create stunning, harmonious designs in Corel.